Hello everyone. Welcome to this session. In this session we will learn about GenAI communities and their roles, responsibilities. By the end of this session, you will be familiarized with GenAI communities, its evolution, their significance and types, and their roles and responsibilities in the AI field, their impact on society, challenges faced by them, and their future trends and opportunities. GenAI communities, short for General Artificial Intelligence Communities, are collaborative spaces where researchers, industry professionals, and enthusiasts come together to explore, discuss, and contribute to the development of AI. These communities play a crucial role in shaping the trajectory of AI, ensuring ethical practices, and fostering a sense of collective responsibility. The primary purpose of GenAI communities is to create a collaborative ecosystem that accelerates AI development, ensuring it aligns with ethical standards and serves the broader interests of society. These communities function as hubs for innovation, research, and the exchange of ideas, fostering an environment conducive to the responsible advancement of AI technologies. Let's have a look at their evolution. The evolution of GenAI communities has been a dynamic and transformative process, driven by the continuous advancement of artificial intelligence and the changing landscape of technology. These communities have adapted to the emerging trends, challenges, and opportunities within the AI field, shaping the collective knowledge and collaborative spirit of its members. Initially, GenAI communities formed as small groups of pioneering researchers and scientists who laid the groundwork for the field of AI. These early communities were characterized by close-knit networks and a focus on fundamental research, often conducted within academic institutions or research laboratories. As AI began to gain more attention and recognition, the communities expanded to accommodate the growing diversity of perspectives and expertise. This expansion brought in professionals from various disciplines, such as computer science, mathematics, neuroscience, and engineering, fostering interdisciplinary collaboration and knowledge sharing. This diversification of expertise has been instrumental in addressing complex AI challenges and exploring new frontiers. The establishment of dedicated AI research groups and organizations played a crucial role in the evolution of GenAI communities. These groups provided platforms for researchers and practitioners to exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, and advance the collective understanding of AI. Through conferences, workshops, and symposiums, these communities facilitated the dissemination of research findings, promoted spirited discussions, and encouraged the formation of new collaborations. With the rise of the internet and digital connectivity, GenAI communities experienced a significant transformation. Online platforms, forums, and social networks emerged as virtual spaces where AI enthusiasts, professionals, and students could connect and engage with each other, regardless of physical location. This shift in communication and collaboration allowed for greater inclusivity, enabling individuals from around the world to participate and contribute to the GenAI communities. Now, we'll delve into the types of general AI communities. Research-oriented communities. These communities focus on advancing the theoretical and practical aspects of AI through rigorous research. Members often collaborate on academic papers, conduct experiments, and push the boundaries of AI knowledge. Industry-focused communities. Dedicated to the application of AI in various industries, these communities bring together professionals working on real-world AI solutions. They play a vital role in translating AI research into practical, scalable applications that address industry challenges. Community engagement and awareness groups. These communities are committed to educating the public about AI, fostering awareness, and promoting discussions on the societal implications of AI. They act as bridges between the technical aspects of AI and the broader community. Being of different types, let's understand what role they perform. GenAI communities have emerged as dynamic and inclusive networks that play vital roles in advancing the field of artificial intelligence, AI. These communities bring together diverse individuals, including researchers, practitioners, academics, industry professionals, policymakers, and enthusiasts, who collectively contribute to the growth and development of AI. Through their active engagement and collaboration, GenAI communities fulfill several key roles. First is knowledge sharing and dissemination. GenAI communities serve as platforms for the exchange and dissemination of knowledge. Members share their research findings, insights, and best practices, driving innovation and fostering continuous learning within the AI field. This knowledge sharing occurs through various channels, including conferences, workshops, online forums, and publications, enabling the wider community to stay updated with the latest developments. Then comes collaboration and networking. GenAI communities provide opportunities for collaboration and networking. Researchers and practitioners connect with peers, form partnerships, and engage in joint projects to tackle complex AI challenges. These collaborations often involve interdisciplinary teams, leveraging diverse expertise to explore new avenues and push the boundaries of AI research and application. Next is mentorship and skill development. Within GenAI communities, experienced members play a crucial role in mentoring and nurturing emerging talents. Seasoned researchers and practitioners guide and support newcomers, helping them navigate the AI landscape, acquire new skills, and develop their careers. Through mentorship programs, workshops, and educational initiatives, these communities promote the growth of a skilled and diverse AI workforce. Then, ethical considerations and responsible AI. GenAI communities actively engage in discussions and initiatives centered around the ethical implications of AI. Recognizing the social impact and potential risks of AI technologies, these communities develop guidelines, standards, and frameworks to ensure responsible AI practices. They address concerns such as bias, transparency, accountability, privacy, and fairness, promoting the development and deployment of AI systems that align with ethical principles. Next comes policy and advocacy. GenAI communities play a role in shaping AI policy and advocating for favorable conditions for AI research and deployment. By offering their expertise and insights, they contribute to policy discussions related to AI governance, regulation, and the societal impact of AI technologies. Through public engagement, they raise awareness and foster informed discourse on AI-related issues, aiming to create a favorable environment that maximizes the benefits and minimizes potential risks. Last but not the least is community building and inclusivity. GenAI communities foster a sense of belonging and inclusivity, creating spaces where individuals from diverse backgrounds and perspectives can actively participate and contribute. They promote diversity and equity within the AI field, striving for equal representation and opportunities for underrepresented groups. By providing a supportive environment and platforms for underrepresented voices to be heard, GenAI communities work towards a more inclusive and fair AI ecosystem. These communities are pivotal in driving advancements in AI, shaping its responsible development, and ensuring that the benefits of AI are realized for the betterment of society. Let's see the responsibilities they carry. GenAI communities shoulder important responsibilities that contribute to the advancement, effective utilization, and ethical development of artificial intelligence, AI. These responsibilities encompass various areas and are essential for promoting positive outcomes and mitigating potential risks associated with AI. The key responsibilities of GenAI communities include: first is community governance. Under this comes organizational structure. GenAI communities often adopt various organizational structures to effectively manage their activities. This could range from a hierarchical structure with designated leaders, committees, and members to a more decentralized model with shared responsibilities. The choice of structure often depends on the community's size, goals, and the preferences of its members. Examples of organizational structures are executive leadership roles, president, vice president, etc. Working committees focused on specific areas: research, ethics, education. General membership with participatory decision-making. Decision-making processes. Transparent and inclusive decision-making is crucial for the success of GenAI communities. Various decision-making processes are implemented to ensure that the community's actions align with its goals and values. This might involve voting systems, consensus-building approaches, or a combination of both. Common decision-making mechanisms. Voting on key initiatives or leadership positions. Open forums for discussion and feedback. Consensus building through collaborative decision-making. Next comes inclusivity and diversity. This includes promoting diversity in AI. GenAI communities recognize the importance of diversity in perspectives, backgrounds, and expertise. Promoting diversity in AI involves actively seeking representation from individuals with different ethnicities, genders, ages, and professional experiences. This fosters a richer exchange of ideas and contributes to more comprehensive solutions to AI challenges. Strategies for promoting diversity are: outreach programs targeting underrepresented groups, inclusive language and imagery in community communications, collaborations with organizations promoting diversity in STEM fields. It also includes ensuring an inclusive environment within the community. Creating an inclusive environment is a continuous effort to ensure that all community members feel valued and heard. GenAI communities implement policies and practices that prevent discrimination, harassment, or exclusion. This involves establishing codes of conduct, providing resources for education on inclusion, and actively addressing any issues that arise. Key components of an inclusive environment are clear codes of conduct and anti-discrimination policies, educational programs on unconscious bias and diversity, platforms for members to voice concerns and suggestions anonymously. Next is collaboration and networking. Under this comes partnerships with other AI communities. GenAI communities understand the value of collaboration with other organizations sharing similar goals. Partnerships with other AI communities allow for the exchange of knowledge, resources, and expertise. This collaborative approach strengthens the collective impact of these communities and fosters a more interconnected AI ecosystem. Benefits of collaborating with other AI communities are pooling resources for joint initiatives and projects, knowledge exchange through shared events and conferences, creating a unified voice on important issues in the AI field. Then, collaboration with non-AI communities for cross-disciplinary insights also come under this. AI's impact extends beyond the boundaries of the AI community itself. Collaborating with non-AI communities, such as those focused on law, ethics, sociology, and other disciplines, provides valuable cross-disciplinary insights. This approach ensures a holistic understanding of the societal implications of AI and encourages the development of responsible AI technologies. Examples of cross-disciplinary collaboration are joint workshops or conferences with experts from non-AI fields, partnerships with legal organizations to address ethical and regulatory concerns, engaging with social science communities to understand the societal impact of AI. By fulfilling these responsibilities, GenAI communities play a pivotal role in shaping the present and future landscape of artificial intelligence. Coming to the impact that they have on the society. GenAI communities influence AI policies, driving the development and implementation of ethical guidelines and regulations. They contribute insights, provide recommendations, and raise awareness about the societal implications of AI. These communities also shape the development of AI technologies through collaborative efforts, knowledge sharing, and showcasing successful projects. They foster innovation, push the boundaries of AI capabilities, and inspire advancements in various domains. Moreover, GenAI communities actively address challenges and controversies in AI. They engage in constructive dialogues, learn from setbacks, and work towards rectifying issues such as biases, ethical dilemmas, and public concerns. Their resilience and adaptability contribute to the continuous improvement of AI practices and the overall growth of the field. Overall, GenAI communities play a critical role in shaping AI policies, driving technological advancements, and effectively addressing challenges, ensuring that AI development aligns with ethical principles and has a positive impact on society. Let's see some of the case studies and interviews. Highlighting successful GenAI communities. Case Study 1. OpenAI Community. The OpenAI community has been a pioneering force in AI research and development. Founded on the principles of transparency and collaboration, OpenAI has fostered an environment that encourages the sharing of ideas and resources. Through interviews with key community leaders, we explore how OpenAI has contributed to breakthroughs in AI, such as advancements in natural language processing and reinforcement learning. Case Study 2. TensorFlow Community. The TensorFlow community stands out as a vibrant ecosystem that extends beyond just Google's contributions. Through case studies and interviews, we delve into how the TensorFlow community has played a pivotal role in the democratization of machine learning. Insights from community members and leaders shed light on collaborative projects, educational initiatives, and the impact on AI research and application development. Interview by Dr. Jane Smith, community leader at AI for Good. In this interview, we sit down with Dr. Jane Smith, a prominent community leader at AI for Good. Dr. Smith shares her experiences in leading a community dedicated to leveraging AI for positive social impact. The discussion covers the community's successful projects, the challenges faced, and the strategies employed to bring together diverse talents and perspectives. Interview by John Doe, developer and active member of ML Enthusiasts. John Doe, a passionate developer and active member of ML Enthusiasts, provides a first-hand account of his journey within the community. Through this interview, we gain insights into how ML Enthusiasts fosters a collaborative learning environment, facilitates knowledge exchange, and empowers its members to contribute meaningfully to the field. Even after having all this boons, they still face challenges in different domains. Let's know about it. GenAI communities face several challenges as they navigate the complex landscape of artificial intelligence. These challenges can arise from technical, ethical, societal, and organizational aspects. Some of the key challenges faced by GenAI communities include: Challenge 1 is ethical dilemmas in AI development. Many GenAI communities face the challenge of navigating ethical dilemmas in AI development. Through real-world examples, we explore instances where communities have grappled with questions of bias, privacy, and responsible AI. Interviews with community leaders shed light on how these challenges are identified, addressed, and integrated into the community's ethical framework. Next is inclusivity and diversity. The push for inclusivity and diversity is a common challenge among GenAI communities. Through case studies, we examine how communities have tackled this issue by implementing policies and initiatives to ensure a diverse membership base. Interviews with community members provide perspectives on the importance of inclusivity and the positive impact it has on the community's dynamics. Then comes interdisciplinary collaboration. Building effective interdisciplinary collaborations is a challenge for GenAI communities. AI development requires collaboration across fields such as computer science, mathematics, ethics, social sciences, and domain-specific experts. Bridging these diverse perspectives, languages, and approaches can be complex and requires fostering a culture of collaboration, effective communication, and knowledge sharing across disciplines. Next comes public perception and trust. GenAI communities face challenges in building public understanding and trust in AI technologies. Addressing misinformation, addressing fears of job displacement, and ensuring transparency are essential for engaging the public in productive conversations about AI's potential and risks. Cultivating trust involves open dialogue, public education, and demonstrating the positive impacts of AI in a responsible and transparent manner. Lastly, regulation and policy landscape. The rapidly evolving regulatory and policy landscape poses challenges for GenAI communities. Governments are adapting and developing frameworks to govern AI technologies, which can vary across jurisdictions. Keeping up with these changes, understanding the implications, and proactively engaging in policy discussions require concerted efforts from GenAI communities to shape regulations that promote responsible and inclusive AI development. Come, let's see the future trends and opportunities. The roles and responsibilities of GenAI communities are likely to evolve as they navigate future challenges and opportunities in the field of artificial intelligence. Here are some potential trends and areas where their roles may expand. First is ethical governance and accountability. As AI technology becomes more pervasive, GenAI communities are expected to take on greater responsibility in ensuring ethical governance and accountability. They will play a crucial role in developing and promoting ethical guidelines, standards, and policies to address ethical concerns such as fairness, transparency, and privacy. GenAI communities will be responsible for fostering a culture of responsible AI development and deployment. Then comes addressing algorithmic bias and fairness. With increasing awareness of biases in AI systems, GenAI communities will prioritize addressing algorithmic bias and ensuring fairness. They will develop techniques and frameworks to prevent and mitigate bias in AI algorithms, ensuring that AI systems treat individuals impartially and without discrimination. This work will involve diverse perspectives and interdisciplinary collaboration to create more equitable and inclusive AI technologies. Next is human-AI collaboration. GenAI communities will focus on developing and optimizing human-AI collaboration systems. As AI systems become more capable, they will work on designing interfaces and interaction paradigms that facilitate seamless collaboration between humans and AI. This includes developing AI systems that can augment human capabilities, support decision-making, and aid in complex problem-solving while considering ethical, privacy, and user experience aspects. Then explainability and interpretability. As AI models become more complex, there will be an increased need for explainability and interpretability. GenAI communities will work on developing methods and techniques to make AI algorithms more transparent and understandable. This will involve efforts to create interpretable AI models, develop visualization techniques, and provide explanations for AI-generated decisions, which can enhance trust and facilitate the adoption of AI technologies. Further comes education and skill development. GenAI communities will continue to play a vital role in education and skill development around AI. They will focus on providing accessible resources, organizing workshops, and mentorship programs to equip individuals with the necessary knowledge and skills in AI. Efforts will be made to bridge the gap between academia and industry, ensuring that the workforce has the expertise to drive AI advancements and address the societal impacts of AI. Then comes responsible innovation and societal impact assessment. GenAI communities will increasingly emphasize responsible innovation and societal impact assessment. They will proactively evaluate and assess the potential societal impacts and risks associated with AI technologies, enabling them to develop strategies for mitigating harm and maximizing positive outcomes. GenAI communities will integrate ethical considerations and societal implications into their research, development processes, and decision-making frameworks. Next is collaboration with policymakers and advocacy. Given the increasing importance of AI in society, GenAI communities will collaborate closely with policymakers and engage in policy advocacy to influence regulations and policy frameworks. They will serve as advisors, providing expertise and insights on AI-related matters to ensure the development of robust and ethical policies that align with societal needs. And lastly, addressing global challenges. GenAI communities will actively contribute their expertise to address global challenges such as climate change, healthcare disparities, and poverty. They will explore AI applications in areas such as environmental monitoring, precision medicine, and sustainable development. By collaborating with interdisciplinary teams, they will leverage AI to tackle complex problems and create positive social impact on a global scale. In summary, the roles and responsibilities of GenAI communities are likely to expand towards ethical governance, addressing bias and fairness, fostering human-AI collaboration, ensuring explainability and interpretability, promoting education and skill development, emphasizing responsible innovation and societal impact assessment, collaborating with policymakers, and addressing global challenges. By embracing these evolving responsibilities, GenAI communities can shape the development and deployment of AI technologies to maximize positive societal outcomes and address the challenges of the future. That was all for this session. We will dive deep into the other concepts in the upcoming videos. Thank you.